So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-mute ng mga stories sa ating Instagram account. But first, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, open lang natin ang ating Instagram account or yung ating Instagram app. And then after yan guys, dito sa pinakang newsfeed or homepage, pumili lang kayo ng stories or person na gusto nyong i-mute yung mga stories nila. So for example is pipili tayo ng isa. So tap natin or i-open natin yung story niya. And then kung mapapansin nyo, may 3 horizontal dots na dito sa upper right corner. So tatap lang natin. And then may magpa-pop up na option. So tatap nyo lang dito guys yung mute para ma-mute siya. And then may magpa-pop up ulit na option. So pwede tayong mamili dito kung ang i-mute lang natin is yung stories or pati yung post. So yung stories lang yung i-mute natin. Tap natin yung mute stories. So once kasi guys na nag-mute tayo ng stories, hindi na lalabas dito sa ating Instagram account yung mga stories nila and hindi yun magna-notif sa atin since nga naka-mute sila sa ating account. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-mute ng mga stories sa ating Instagram app. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.